Welcome guys. So we all know that n factorial is defined as n times n minus 1, n minus 2, blah 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 times 1 factorial, which is n minus n factorial. But then what on earth is this? That right there is a double factorial, and it does not equals n factorial all factorial. They are quite different. So now how do we define the double factorial? So it is defined as n times n minus 2 times n minus 4, then blah 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 4 times 2 double factorial. So the idea of the double factorial is that we just skip a step. We skip 1, we go to minus 2, we skip minus 3, we go to minus 4, and so on and so forth. So that's double factorial. So let us use that same idea to expand our equation. So we have this minus 2, then we also have this minus 4, then let us stop here for now, and it equals x squared minus 1. So then we can go ahead to simplify this, and when we have x plus 1, then this gives us x minus 1, then this gives us x minus 3, then double factorial equals, so this is a difference of 2 squares, so we just say x minus 1, then x plus 1. So we can just go ahead to cancel out the terms. So then here we'll be left with x minus 3, and that equals 1. And also, as a property of factorial, 1 is the same thing as 1 double factorial. Yes, they are all the same family, right? So then moving further, we will have that x minus 3 double factorial equals 1 double factorial. So then when we check this, we will definitely see that x minus 3 equals 1. So then when we solve this equation, we find out that x equals 4, and that's the final answer.